Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs, and today we have another build from Hachette. It's the Eddie Stobart Moving the Nation issue 86. So just take a look what's happening in this one. Interesting. Hinge. Oh wow, that's awesome. It seems to be a really interesting issue. Oh wow, that's great. We haven't seen this in a while. Oh, excited to see this again. So this is what we have in this pack. Let's get my tweezers if I can find them. These are the hinges. Saying that we have to, okay, yeah, that's an R. Let's see if you can see that. A bit back further. There's an R. Should be an L. So let's just know. I would presume to say that this is left. Does it fit all the way through? Or do we just... No, it doesn't. It just lines up to it and then we will have to screw it down. And so with that we will need DP13 screws. 2 of these. What am I using? This is a PH00. I believe that this is the left one. Let's just make sure that this is left and right. I just need to make sure which is which. So the R is this one. This is left, so R would need to go to this side from the front. Would have thought that would have been the left looking at it, but I guess it's when you reverse it, it will be the right side. So let's just try to get this screwed in. Let's put this screw first. A little bit fiddly. Oh, we'll get there in a minute. That's one. Lovely. Let's get this a little bit lined up as it shows pictures. And let's do it like that. So far so good. We're off to a good start. Now we have the right side of the hinge. Let's see if you could see that. There you go. Right side. In the picture you need this cog. You can see there's 2 little pins facing upwards. Bit of a tight squeeze. This is the steering arm that would fit on top, as you can see. And you need another screwdriver. I think this is a PHO. Let's just take, well, we have two, we need two. Line that up against those two pins. Shows not to over tighten this. Seems to be moving freely. Okay, well, we have this cap. Need line that up like that, and same DD for one screw just here. I think that's nice. And now we need to bring our cab over. We have our amazing cab now. Just a point, make sure your steering is as straight as possible, facing the correct way up. It should be like that. Your cog is just there. So, like I said, make sure that's, because you could see that's attached to that. And with our steering column, where was we now? This section you can see it moves up and down. Well, level that up to, you can see it's about the middle, which looks about there. And through this hole, you just line that up, and there's a peg that you will need to screw in. With that you will need DD01 screws. Let's just try to take one out. As tight as you can. This box does move, but hopefully you can see that's turning quite well now. So yeah, seems to be working well. Our steering column is in place. Now we will need the other side, which is gonna be located just here. Just make sure. Okay. Hopefully you could see that. These two locating pins just fit over there. Then you would just need to screw again. DD01 screw. Great, so those are in place. We will need to now attach our front plate. Wow, that's, I love that. The first time I'm taking a look how it looks, so just make sure there's no wires catching. I think we're good to go. So that's now in place. Let's just turn this upside down again very carefully. Here, hopefully you can't see. And I drop my screw. There's one hole just there, and another hole just here. So it is quite tight access, but let's try this a shot. Light that up again. Very good now. So those two bottom screws are in place. Let's turn our cab over very carefully. This is going to be a challenge. There's one screw just here and another one, I believe, just there. Let's give this a shot. Well, I have attached the screws. Let's take a look how it looks, and I'm really pleased how that looks. Our steering is working really well. So yep, that's the end of our stage, and I really hope you enjoyed that. If you could do us a favor, if you could hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. And I look forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.